Hello there. Welcome to Programming How To channel. In today's video we will see how to publish an existing project to GitHub using Visual Studio. So before we begin, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it so that you can get notifications whenever I upload new video. First, create GitHub repository. Now we need to add solution to source control using Visual Studio. Right-click on solution and then click Add solution to source control. Now open Team Explorer. Click Sync. Click Publish Git repo. Copy URL and paste in text box. Click Publish. Our existing project is successfully published to GitHub. Refresh the page, you will see your project files. So this is it, that's how you can publish your existing project to GitHub. Thank you for watching. Please give your feedback in comments so that we can improve our videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon next to it so that you can get notifications whenever I upload new video.